What if you looked up tonight and the moon was just gone? No explosion, no warning, just an empty, dark space where it used to be. At first, you might think it's peaceful, maybe even a little spooky.
But the moon does so much more for us than just light up the night sky.
Its sudden disappearance would kick off a chain of events that would change our planet forever. The first thing you'd notice is the ocean. The moon's gravity is the engine that drives our tides, pulling the water back and forth in a predictable rhythm. Without the moon, that rhythm stops. The high and low tides we've known for millennia would vanish, replaced by much smaller tides caused only by the sun. This would be catastrophic for coastal ecosystems. Mangrove forests and tidal flats, which are home to countless species, would be destroyed. Crabs, mussels, and other creatures that depend on the ebb and flow of the tide would die off, sending a ripple effect up the entire marine food chain. The world's oceans would become stagnant and unpredictable, changing the very nature of our coastlines.
But the chaos wouldn't stop at the water's edge.
The moon acts like a giant stabilizer for our planet, keeping Earth's axial tilt steady at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is what gives us our predictable seasons. Without the moon's gravitational pull to hold us in place, Earth would start to wobble on its axis. This wobble, called precession, would become much more extreme. Over thousands of years, our tilt could swing wildly, from nearly 0 to more than 45 degrees. Imagine a world with no seasons, or a world where summer in the northern hemisphere means scorching, unbearable heat while winter plunges us into an ice age. Climate zones would shift dramatically and unpredictably. Deserts could become lush forests, and fertile farmlands could turn into frozen tundras. The stable climate that allowed human civilization to flourish would be a thing of the past. The moon's influence goes even deeper, right down to the length of our days. The gravitational tug-of-war between the Earth and Moon actually slows our planet's rotation over time. That's why billions of years ago, a day on Earth was only about 6 hours long. Without the moon, this braking effect would disappear. While you wouldn't notice it immediately, over millions of years, Earth's rotation would speed up, and our days would get shorter. But the more immediate problem is that all life on Earth is synced to the 24-hour day-night cycle, what we call our circadian rhythm. From our sleep patterns to the migration of birds and the blooming of flowers, everything is tuned to this celestial clock. The sudden absence of moonlight would disrupt nocturnal animals that rely on it for hunting and navigation. The biological rhythms of countless species, including our own, would be thrown into chaos, leading to widespread confusion and collapse. So, the next time you look up at that silent, glowing orb in the sky, remember it's not just a pretty light. It's our planet's anchor, its dance partner, and its timekeeper. The moon might seem distant and quiet, but its presence is woven into the very fabric of life on Earth. Its disappearance wouldn't just make our nights darker. It would unravel the stable, predictable world we depend on. So what if it vanished? It's a chilling reminder of how fragile our cosmic balance truly is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to look up.